Hi, this is Blake with Eagle Woodworking, and today we're going to go over how to fill out our online doors quote request form. Step 1, you'll fill out whether you want a quote or an order. Step 2, you'll enter your customer information as well as any job-related information. And then you'll select your delivery options. We'll go with Eagle Delivery. In step 3, you select your construction type, whether it's 5-piece or 1-piece, 2-piece MDF or a slab door. In step 4, you'll select your style type. We have different style types, which are just configurations of different doors to make the ordering process easier. If you have any questions as well, you can click through and it'll show you the different pictures of the profiles and then the center panel attachment as well. And you can always click this View Spec Sheet button as well, and it will bring up the product guide page. And then you'll go to step 5 and select your material type. We'll go with paint grade maple. In step 6, all of the styles you select in step 4, they just kind of preset what you have in step 6. So you have your door thickness, your rail and width, your framing beads, center panel type, and outside edge. And if you have any questions, you can select View Spec Sheet, and it'll bring up all the different options there as well. And that goes for every single selection you can make. And then you'll select your hinge boring type. We'll go with none. Cabinet door hinges and finish, we'll select none as well. And then you just go through and you'll enter your different specifications. You can select drawer front and then different types of glass doors and mullion setups, and then panel as well. And if you have any custom notes, you can select that as well. And if you want to change your basic rail and style from what you've selected, you have that option. If there's anything you want added that is more custom than what's available here, just write it in the notes section. Then you'll hit submit. That's it. Thanks.